welcome back to another video. I have a pipe in my hand and I'm going to explain why. So, do you know all of them like things you can get on eBay where it's like £40 for an air filter that is universal, fits any car? They have the reducers, 63mm. How do I know so much about this, you ask? Because I went and bought one for the Seat. This is the pipe, which is, we're going to take about 25mm off this end first with a hacksaw because it doesn't fit on the car very much. Well, not at all actually. So we're going to take 25mm off this. I'll take you back over to the car. We're going to do a fitment test. Then, because, well, if you think about my car, this is useless because we've already got an airbox. But my idea is I'm going to take the air filter out the airbox. So then this air filter is the air filter, and really the air's just going into the airbox with nothing, no strings attached. You know what I mean? So basically, first things first, we're going to get about 25mm cut off here. Go test fit it. Come back, have another look at it. And yeah, let's get into it. Test, and that sits a lot further in than it did before, because before that it's out here. This looks like it's about thin. This piece of plastic that was connected to the old air filter is there, so we're just going to get a screwdriver, get them screws undone, and that should be sorted. Now we've got that off. That's the setup. Ignore that. That's the setup so far, which looks mint. But if you know cars, you know it's so stupid because we've already got an airbox there. But either way, it looks mental. So this is I've just put the original like shitty little thing back on just so we can see before we put the absolute beast on what it sounds like. So we'll do a quick sound test. Poor. Just wait for this mod, because that is poor. I've just took the air filter out the airbox, so that's empty. We got three these things. I always forget what they're called. Bracelets. I'm gonna put them on the filter, and then literally that's it. Then the filter should be good to go. So we'll get to that. Okay, that's officially the that's heat tape, by the way, to cover the hole that was put there. That's officially the air intake on the car, as you can see there. You know, I like the bits, they're not there. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get Dad back over to record. We'll start it up, see how it sounds. So let's get into it. I haven't tested this before, so let's see how this sounds. I'm quite excited. Are we ready for this? Go on the front of the car then. Sounds quite a bit more aggressive, don't you think?
All power.
That's mint. Thank you for watching. Okay, as you can hear, I would know very goodbye, but that sounds a hell of a lot better, doesn't it? So I just want to say before I go, we've got a sound system in the car now. I'll show you my sub if you want a video on that. I'll show you my whole sound system, all my amps and everything. We've got just basic like custom gear shifter and stuff I put in the car. We've now got an air intake. Comment below what else you want to see on the car and I'll happily do it. See you later.